keep going down the little minibus, eh? And up the lock on the tower like that railway driver starts kicking out the Civic very quick. Ain't a car, plenty of power. Very quick to the hairpin as well. Well scored without the step. Good value as well. That's John Fitzgerald there, the E30 and the old shed then free. Very soft in front car, all sorts of angles as he came into view there. Dennis Hogan in the newer shape E36 and free. Very well sorted car. Richardson next up in the E30 M3. Almost heading into the paddock to say hello. Managed to hang on to it. Spraying the car around. Huge car for this 2.5 meter engine. Locks the car up. Looks like he's coming to a couple of donuts down there. No, thought about it. Yeah, I think he's just having a quick look around.
Okay,
checking for a bit. But wherever you're standing, I suggest you stand back about another foot or two. Black marks left everywhere from Simon as he headed away here. Great stuff from him. He has got a camera in the car and another one hanging off the side. So hopefully we'll see some more of this on YouTube over the next couple of days. Simon, one of the best entertainers. Also, when he's being a little bit more serious, he's the current hill climb champion. So here he comes, you can hear him long before you can see him. In that car, again locked up the front, he gets down towards turn one. And he gets sideways absolutely everywhere. Great stuff from Simon. Contestant back in that period. Oh, Simon way out of shape as he comes into view. Gets all crossed up and misses the car. Oh, it's nice. Oh my God. There he is, right Simon. The car is so sideways on the way down to turn one. Really is laying down plenty of rubber. I hope he has a tire spotter covering the track in black marks here. Ready to get out on track. Oh, Simon still like a big guy, locking wheels, throwing it into jamming the great entertainment from Simon McKinley. He really does just